Welcome to Artificial Intelligence Apex Academy. Are you ready to revolutionize your productivity with the top AI tools? Stay tuned for a game-changing exploration. First up, we have the AI Assistant. This tool is designed to streamline your tasks and provide personalized support, making your work more efficient. Next, let's explore the Smart Calendar Scheduler. Say goodbye to scheduling headaches as this tool optimizes your calendar, saving you time and effort. Now let's dive into the Intelligent Email Prioritizer. This AI-powered tool organizes your inbox, ensuring that you focus on the most important emails first. Harness the power of the Virtual Meeting Organizer. Say hello to seamless and well-organized virtual meetings, thanks to this innovative AI tool. Maximize your efficiency with task automation software. This tool automates repetitive tasks, freeing up your time for more impactful work. Unlock your potential with the AI Writing Assistant. From grammar checks to content suggestions, this tool takes your writing to the next level. There you have it, the top AI tools for ultimate productivity. Which one are you most excited to try out? Let us know in the comments below.